In this video, I'm going to show you how you could set an email signature to only display for a limited period of time while you're running a marketing campaign or event or some other promotion. So I have this signature, and you'll notice it has this extra banner in here. All I want to do is go down to Set Date Time Trigger, and in here I could say, if I click Apply Within Date Range, I'm going to say that this will only apply between the 3rd of March, starting maybe at 9 a.m. And then it's going to run until just a little after the end of March. And that's actually going to stop, maybe it stops at midday on that day. That's when our event ends. And then I'll click OK. And with that, that signature is only going to apply during that set period of time. As soon as that time has passed, for all those users, it will revert back to the standard signature. Thanks for watching.